Assalamu alaykum. Welcome back. Welcome again to another video of our video series Swahili for Starters. Alright, now today we are going to learn how to tell time in Swahili. How to tell time in Swahili. So stay with me. I'll be right back. Alright, now like I said, in this video we will be learning how to tell time in Swahili. How to tell time in Swahili. Now before we go on and learn how to tell time in Swahili, let's first learn a few vocabularies, okay? A few common words used in time telling in Swahili, okay? Now the first word will be Muda. 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 Muda means time, okay? Time, okay? It may have other meanings, but they all revolve around time telling in Swahili. So muda can mean time, or can mean period, okay? Period, maybe a period of time, okay? So in Swahili we use the word muda when telling time, okay? Muda means time, okay? Another word that means time in Swahili is the word Vacati, okay? Vacati. Vacati also means time or period, okay? Period of time, okay? Another word that we use in Swahili for time telling is the word sa, okay? Sa. Sa, sa, which also means time, okay? Sa may also mean a watch, like a hand watch, okay? A hand watch, or a clock, like a wall clock, okay? Sa, okay? Sa. Alright, now after knowing those common basic time-telling vocabularies, now let's go ahead and learn another key point in time-telling in Swahili. Now, in Swahili, a day usually starts at 7 a.m., 7 in the morning, okay? And it ends at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. in the evening, okay? And the night starts from 7 p.m. okay, 7 p.m. night up until 6 a.m. 6 in the morning, okay? So it's good to know that key point, okay? That's a very good point to know and understand when telling time in Swahili. A day starts from 7 a.m. up until 6 p.m. and the night starts from 7 p.m. up until 6 a.m. okay? Now after knowing that, let's jump ahead and learn how to tell time now, okay? Okay, now how do you ask someone what time is it now in Swahili? What time is it now? Okay, in Swahili, if you want to ask someone what time is it now, you would say Hivi sasa ni saa ngapi? 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 What time is it now? What time is it now? Hivi sasa ni saa ngapi? Alright, now when someone is asking you, hivi sasa ni saa ngapi? You respond by saying, hivi sasa ni saa so and so. Then you give out the actual time. Okay, we will learn how to tell the actual time. Okay, so you respond by saying, hivi sasa ni saa so and so. Okay, so you basically repeat what the other person just said to ask you about the time. Okay, so you repeat the same thing. Hivi sasa ni saa so and so. Okay, now let's go ahead and learn how to tell the actual time. Alright, now when telling the actual time, we will learn a little bit of math. Okay, a little bit of mathematics. Okay, and this is only going to be in the beginning. Okay, for now that we are learning, but once we get used to it, we won't have to be doing this math again. Okay, so now just for learning, we will do a little bit of math. Okay, now when telling time in Swahili, listen to me and pay attention. When you're telling time in Swahili, from 7 a.m., 7 in the morning, okay, up until 12 noon, okay, you subtract whatever time that is in English, you subtract by 6. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Okay, let's take an example. So let's say the time now is 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. Now, what is that in Swahili? How do you tell someone that it is now 7 a.m. in the morning in Swahili? Now, in Swahili, if you want to tell someone that it is now 7 a.m. in the morning, you take 7 and you subtract by 6. You get 1, right? 7 subtract by 6, you get 1. Now in Swahili you would say saa moja, saa moja. Okay, so 7 a.m. in English, and in Swahili that will be saa moja. Okay, saa moja. Okay, what if the time is 8 a.m.? If the time is 8 a.m. in Swahili, you subtract by 6 and you get 2. Okay, so you would say saa mbili, saa mbili. So if someone is asking you, hivi sasa ni saa ngapi? Hivi sasa ni saa ngapi? What time is it now? You respond by saying, hivi sasa ni saa moja. Hivi sasa ni saa moja, which means now it is 7 a.m. Okay? Now it is 7 a.m. Okay? Now, if you want to say it is 8 a.m., of course you are going to subtract by 6 and you get 2. So you would say hivi sasa ni saa mbili. Hivi sasa ni saa mbili. Okay? Which means now it is 8 a.m. Now, the AM and the PM is used to identify whether the time is the day, daytime, or nighttime. Okay? Now, in Swahili, if it is the AM time, you would say asubuhi. Okay? Asubuhi. So 7 a.m. will be saa moja asubuhi. Saa moja asubuhi. Okay? Saa moja asubuhi. If it is 7 p.m., 7 p.m., that would be saa moja usiku. Saa moja usiku. Okay? Now, remember, if you're telling the time which starts from 7 a.m. up until 12 noon, any time between that range of time, you subtract by 6. Okay? Subtract by 6. So if it is 11 a.m., then in Swahili that would be 11 minus 6, and you get what? 5. Okay? So you say saa tano. Okay? Saa tano. Okay? Now, what if you're telling the time from 12 noon? Okay? What are you going to do? Are you still going to subtract by 6? So, if it is the time from noon, okay, time from noon, you still subtract by 6, okay? But if the time starts from 1 p.m., 1 p.m. up until 6 p.m., you add 6, okay? You add 6. Now, if it's the time from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., you add 6. So if you're telling someone, you want to tell someone it is now 1 p.m., you take 1 plus 6 and you get 7. So you would say saa saba. Saa saba. Okay? Saa saba. And to be more specific, you would say saa saba mchana. Saa saba mchana. Saa saba mchana, which means 1 p.m. Okay? Okay? So anytime from 1 p.m. up until 6 p.m., you add 6, okay, to tell the time. Alright, now if you are telling the time from 7 p.m. up until 12 a.m., 12 midnight, okay, 7 p.m. up until 12 midnight, you would subtract by 6, okay? So if it is 8 p.m., then you take 8 minus 6 and you get 2. So you say saa mbili usiku. Saa mbili usiku. Okay? If it is 11 p.m., then you would say 11 minus 6, which is 5, and you say saa tano usiku. Saa tano usiku. Okay? Saa tano usiku. Okay? Now, if you're telling time from 1 a.m., 1 a.m. up until 6 a.m., you would add 6. Okay? You add 6. Okay? So you take 1 plus 6, you get 7. So you say saa saba. Saa saba. Saa saba. To be more specific, you add the word usiku. Saa saba usiku. Saa saba usiku, which means 1 a.m. Okay? So you do that for the rest of the time range. Okay? So you always just need to remember what time range you need to add 6 and what time range you need to subtract 6 in order to get Swahili time. Okay? Alright, so that's it in this video. I hope you learned something new. If you do have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Please try to reach out and ask as many questions as you want so you can learn Swahili fluently. Okay? Alright, that's it in this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and go ahead and click the bell so you can get notifications on every new video that I upload. Okay? And again, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Kwaheri.